What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing the full build on the mini bike mini trike. We have it fully powder coated here in our signature Dr. Pepper color. In this video, we're going to be putting everything together. So stick around. We're going to have a lot of fun. This is going to be a good time.
Okay, so in the last video you guys saw we fabricated the frame. Today I powder coated this, a little bit of help from Steve. We did a base coat of Black Frost Lollipop Red translucent top coat. So
I thought that was Dr. Pepper.
It definitely does look exactly the same, like literally. You need a little juice, man. Probably should have polished those wheels and tire shine those, but I mean, this is all the easy stuff. All the hard part was getting all the frame designed and...
How many Newton meters would this be?
So I actually came in here and loosened it a little bit because this front wheel was binding. Not binding, but like...
Just not rolling too sweet.
Not rolling as sweet as it was.
You're not writing down torque specs for the user manuals on these things? Those pro tapers have a special name or something that keep people going?
These are the ATV High. It's a high-rise ATV handlebar.
You didn't powder coat those things Dr. Pepper red?
No, you gotta let those, it's gonna two-tone it, set it off that billet aluminum.
Really gazing into the...
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how, out of all these nuts and bolts, we don't have half-inch lock washers.
You didn't think about this before? This video was on the schedule, man.
What do we got here? You kidding me? You seeing this? Handwritten. I do have it all. Haters were waiting.
That was
like,
just a joke.
How do you not even have half-inch lock washers? Everybody, even my grandma has half-inch lock washers.
Are those spacers?
Those are risers.
Yeah, you act like I didn't make those risers. Apparently the high lift ATV wasn't high enough.
Yeah. You know, a couple risers just like us. Rising stars.
A couple little risers. You didn't powder coat those risers?
Why would I powder coat them? Look how sweet they look.
Jeez.
Guy, you're gonna need to get a lens that gives me a little more space.
Guy, there's literally no wider lens than this lens.
That's what I mean. Get a little zoom so you can back up some. I don't care. Use a freaking telescope. Freaking see me from your house.
What's the torque spec on these? You just need to be like super serious and just make something up.
Snapped it. That has happened many times.
Oh yeah, ask Teddy Westside about that.
I was just gonna say, I just Teddy Westside this thing.
You didn't go class this old school freaking big dome on that thing?
There have been some people that have asked, but this one's the modern take. Should just do stuff to just trigger people. Like, you know.
Did you make these? Or did you buy these?
The bearings?
Yeah. No, I mean like these plates. These like Superman logo looking plates.
I never bought this.
Really? Guy's got all this machinery, buys the plates. Sometimes
You gotta know where your time's best spent out here being a video personality, not making plates.
Man, you're going disc brakes on this thing?
Yeah, you gotta have that stopping power, you know? That's that attention to detail though. Somebody else here to slam your home. Not me. Take pride in my work. Oh no. I forgot to powder coat these.
The black looks sweet.
It's gonna rust.
Is it not painted?
These aren't.
Oh. Just don't take it outside. Don't take it next to any oceans.
I'll take it back apart and do that later.
Sure.
No, I won't.
Yeah.
Whenever I'd tighten stuff, Grandpa would always be like, easy snapper. That's what he'd say.
Granddad. Yeah. We need to get Granddad on the channel. So at this point in the video, we realized this is going to take a long time. And contrary to the intro, this is now a rolling chassis video.
See, now this can be overkill, but I'm putting another shaft collar on the back.
Damn.
Because
you got them.
So you don't want that. I got a 10-pack. Not sponsored. Oh, one other thing we got to remember to do is tighten the lug nuts, if you want to call them that, on the front. The three lugs.
It blows my mind that just keeps it on there.
Well, it clamps down, so it's literally a last resort.
Yeah.
So you're clamping here, you have a mechanical washer there that it can't go anywhere, and then you put a shaft collar right behind it, so. Do we have a checklist for this? This looks insane. This literally looks like something you would buy like from Honda back in the day.
We are this close to having this thing rolling here tonight. It is only 8:47 tonight at night. It's like 10:15.
Man, that's a nice fit. Like I said, it's like you went from like just building something to like this literally looks like you could have bought this off like the showroom floor like this. That's why it's not easy. That's why not everybody does it. This thing's a machine. Definitely not a kid's toy.
What was the name of that guy that was a bike builder who died like stunting his freaking Harley?
Indian Larry.
Yeah, that looks like a seat Indian Larry would have.
So I got one of these handmade keychains by Jesse James for the 30th anniversary of West Coast Choppers. Without that guy, probably wouldn't be doing what I'm doing today. I got 2 more on order. Not of those wig splitters, but he just blasts people on his Instagram of, they're like, where's my keychain? And he's like, they're handmade. Then just blasts them. It takes a while. Takes a while. Probably shouldn't have this in the shots.
What is that?
Oil cap. I don't think anybody will be able to tell, but I'm not putting the rubber on this one. And I'm not 100% happy with it because I want to put some more down to like here where that other panel is going to connect in. Definitely fits better without the rubber. Freaking, you get putting that on there and it's just all freaking, because I didn't mock it up with it on there. So. So the cool thing is with this, I'm gonna have long enough threads on here so we can use the 10 amp hour or the 5 amp hour. So. This thing has one job in this video, and that's to roll.
All right, guys, well, we achieved what we wanted to in this video. We have a full roller of the mini bike, mini trike. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Give us a like if you liked it, and we'll see you guys in the next one real soon.